Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Windbreaker that I picked up from TJ Maxx. Not too expensive, pretty cheap. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed on the bag. So this one is the half zip Windbreaker, and it has a pocket right in the middle. This one reminds me of Supreme. So you got a big pouch pocket right in the middle right here, which is nice if you need something to carry around. You don't want to carry a handbag or backpacks. And this is where your half zip is zip up. And you got your hood right here, pretty nice. You also got two at the straps right here for you to do the adjustment to make it tighter or loosen, which I thought was pretty good. Pretty big hood. Normally I don't like to pick up the white color because it tend to get dirty, but somehow this one caught my eye. Just need to pick it up. And also the price. This one is size large. It's by Beautiful Giant. Design Los Angeles, made in China. So I cut this for only $12.99. There are some other one was worse than this one, and it sell for $14.99 due to the colors. So this is white with the gray and then black on the bottom, and you also got this left and right pockets. And there's also adjustment for your waist to make it tighter so the wind doesn't go into your body. And this is what the back look like. And around your wrist area is pretty, it has an elastic band. Alright, so please be sure to like this video and then give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Turn on the bell for notification and drop any other comments down below. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Alright, like always, peace.